G'day everyone, Barefoot Captains Log, Day 7. Day 7 and I still have this voice. It's really hard to talk. It's making it really hard to be the captain on a ship when I can't communicate. Anyway, the last little bit of my voice I am giving to you. We're about 30 miles north of the Gold Coast. We've been sailing for a good part of the day already. We're sort of off Moreton Island. We're actually just come into the lee of Moreton Island, so it's a bit calmer. We've had much rougher weather, much more wind than we expected. We wanted to leave last night and beat this weather, but we couldn't. We went and did immigration last night, but one of our passports was very new and another one of our passports had to get checked again. And that doesn't take long, it took a couple of hours, but we decided it was better. We just go, okay, we'll stay the night. And we picked up the final immigration in the morning.
Good morning, Gary.
Hey.
Lovely for you to show up.
Oh, good?
You've got toilet paper.
We have clearance.
Hold on.
We got our clearance. Yeah, my voice is toast. I don't know why. It's just
Too much of a good thing.
I've just got this sexy raspy thing going on.
Do I look like a grumpy yellow?
Alright?
Yeah, fine. But more importantly, we have clearance. We got customs clearance to leave the port.
Yeah.
So all the crew arrived. We've got Gabby. She's a surfer and a snorkeler and loves coming out with this real adventurous chick. You've already seen the rabbit, Francisca, adventurer, photographer, filmmaker, loves the place we're going, loves diving, and she's also got an underwater camera for this trip. And Silka Stukenbrook. Silka's my full-time deckhand on the boat during summer when we're chartering, so she knows the boat really well. Environmentalist, they do a lot of plastic pollution work.
Thank you. Hello. Oh, so good to see you.
We had Paul Sharp, he comes from WA. He lives in a bus with a shark. That's a story I'll tell you later. And is as mad for finding shipwrecks as I am, so we have an absolute ball out there. We got Guy, my cousin, he's our helmsman. Can't walk so well, but he can drive the hell out of a boat. So they've all arrived, did immigration, waited till the morning, woke up, most beautiful sunrise at Southport Yacht Club. But you know what they say, pink sky morning, sailors take warning. Absolutely, I was so excited to run back with that immigration clearance form. We got on the boat, we got out the gate, we got moving, but then, the wind came up, the swell, seas, just at a really horrible angle for a cat, right on the nose. Lost the pattern. And then, about 4 or 5 hours into it, our screecher started unraveling at the top.
Sheet's getting tangled around it.
The wind just gusted in such a way that it unwrapped it and it started flapping.
The wind's getting up above 20 knots. I think we're going to reach it.
We tried to pull it in 3 or 4 times. We couldn't get the thing to come in. It's knocked my radar around up there. It's actually knocked some bolts loose. It's done some damage. We managed to pull it in and pull it down on deck, but not before the bowsprit dipped in the water, and also has done some damage to my striker bar. But look, it's all part of sailing. We're going to places unknown, places people just don't go. So with a bit of a damaged screecher on the deck, we're still sailing. We're going to sail through the night just slowly and wait for the wind to change, and then we'll be able to head out a bit deeper and keep going to Cato. So I can't wait to take you there. We've got lots more to show you. More sailing tomorrow. Hope you're enjoying these updates each day. Please remember, subscribe, comment, ask me some questions. You can ask me why I've got such a raspy rock and roller voice. See you tomorrow. It's goodbye from the Barefoot Captain.